In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the Track Changes feature in Microsoft Word to manage edits in your documents. This tool is essential for anyone who collaborates on documents or wants to keep track of their revisions in an organized way. So let's dive right into it. First, we'll start by opening your Word document. Once you have it open, navigate to the Review tab that you'll find on the ribbon at the top of the window. This is where most of the tools related to editing and revising are located. Now, look for the Track Changes button. A simple click on this button will activate the Track Changes feature. You'll know it's turned on because any modifications you make, whether they're additions, deletions, or formatting tweaks, will be highlighted by Word. This visual cue lets you easily spot what's new or different. Now that Track Changes is activated, feel free to start making edits. If you add text, you'll notice that it appears in a different color and is usually underlined to distinguish it from the rest of the document. When you delete text, it's not lost to the ether. Instead, it'll either show up as a bubble in the margins or with a strike-through line, depending on your Word settings, ensuring that no change goes unnoticed. As you make these edits, you or your collaborators might need to decide which changes to keep. This is where accepting or rejecting changes comes into play. Return to that Review tab and locate the Changes group. Here you'll have the options to accept or reject each change. By clicking Accept, you incorporate the modification into the document, whereas Reject will remove it. To efficiently move through each change, use the Next and Previous buttons, which help you navigate through your edits one by one, making this process seamless and controlled. Once you're satisfied with all the revisions or simply need a clean slate to work with, you might want to turn off Track Changes. To do this, just click the Track Changes button again. When deactivated, further edits made won't be tracked, allowing you to finalize the document. Finally, with all your changes reviewed, accepted, or rejected, you can save your document. If you're collaborating, you might also want to share it. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to professionally and efficiently handle document edits in Word, using Track Changes to enhance your collaborative projects or keep better tabs on your drafting progress. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you can now confidently use Track Changes in your future Word documents.